Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. Today we got a little mail call to do. Overdue mail call, I should say, as everything else in my life right now is overdue. So I didn't tape them over or anything, I just got them upside down. So we'll just cut them open and then we'll say who they're from. Which I already know that, but that's alright. So, this is our first one. We know that that is, it says right there a little sticker, Native American made in Montana. So we know that that is from Keevan. And there's this little thing. Let's see what this says here. Got some stickers. These are neat little, see that? He's got little like letter seals made. I don't want to tear that up. I'm going to just do it this way. And I'm looking like this is some stickers and his card. And 13th set stone. Alright, it's a number 13. Thanks for the guidance and tips. For just being an awesome guy. Well, thank you, Keevan. I appreciate that. Bison leather. All right. Sticker. Whoops. And this little redneck metals thing, which I guess they're stopping now. I haven't been keeping up because I just haven't been keeping up with anything. I can't even keep up with my own stuff. But this looks like wow, picture stone. Let's see what he's got on here. A Wahi bracelet. That is awesome, Keevan. I'll tell you what, you've come a long freaking way. I'm presuming that's a cuff. I'll have to open it up and put it on my hand, but I want to show you this. A Wahi jasper, or picture stone. There's a couple picture stones that look like this. Let me see if I can get it up here closer. Well, I can't get it in the light. I'll take a picture of it and put it at the end. But he has made this arrowhead out of silver, like this, and then he bezeled it, which is awesome, and set that jasper in it. Keevan, I really appreciate that. That is an awesome gift, and a lot of work went into that. He did all his stamping. Like I said, I'll take a close-up picture of this so you guys can see it. But that is that's something else. See if I can get it. Well, I don't want to mess with it right now. I don't want to goof anything up. So, but I'll get a close-up of that and take it. Keevan, thank you very much. He said he was a while back that he was making me something special and he was gonna send it to me, and that is definitely something special. I don't know if I should wear it or just keep it on my shelf. But that is really something. Keevan, thank you very much. I do appreciate that. I know a lot of time and effort went into it. Guys, check out Keevan's channel. I'll put a link to it below in the description area. And he has, I remember watching him do, I think the first silver he poured was in the wooden cutouts. I believe it was a wooden bore out pour. And I could tell he was nervous, but he has come a long way since then. Alright, Keevan, my friend, thank you again very much. Guys, go check out his channel, drop him a sub. And let's get on to our next one. It's got to go in my This will go, wait a minute, I didn't read this, did I? Alright, it says, BYS, a surprise. Hey bro, how are you? I hope. Enclosed you will find my 13th set stone. So this must be his 13th stone that he cut. I forgot to read. I'm telling you guys, my brain's turning to crap at the speed of light. I couldn't in good honesty give you the 13 pour, as that was a huge mess. Doesn't matter. Sometimes huge messes are a good thing. With his own crazy stone, but it is a gift for all the help you have given me over the years. I hope you enjoy. Stay awesome and see you around. See you around the tube. Kevin, I always do that. Kevin Rose Jr. I'm sorry I didn't read that first. I was tied up with this thing. That is something. And you know, again, I was going to move on, but you know, being a silversmith and a goldsmith, I know the effort that went into this. This was not a 1, 2, 3 project. So again, Kevin, thank you very much. And once again, guys, go visit his channel. I'm going to keep that too. I'll cut it out. Alright, Kevin, thanks. And let's move on to our next one. Like I said, my brain's a little bit scattered today. I actually need to get out there and finish that refine, but my back has just not been cooperating. Obviously, we can see this says 600 sub giveaway win. And we know who that is right off the bat. That's our buddy from Man Mountain Metals, Man Mountain Link, whatever you want to call him. And normally I don't enter, I haven't been entering a lot of the giveaways because I just want maybe some of the newer people to win or something, but I like his work, so I entered. And I got lucky and won, so there we go. And guys, you need to get over there to his channel as well. He should have far more. He does a lot of selling on eBay, and a lot of tips and tricks he can give you on there, but he points out the goods and the bads of being a seller on eBay. And he's got some videos. I mean, I don't know how you can't just crack up laughing looking at watching them. We have a silver bar. Got a bunch of whoop. Better not show those stickers. Alright, we have, let me look at these before I poke them out there. Can't show you that one. Let's see. That's what I mean, I love his sense of humor. Oh, he's got my, that's one of my logos on my game that I play. That's pretty cool. Lucky 13. He always sends me Lucky 13 stuff. And that is round. There's another 13 skull ball cap. I'll have to poke those up. Yeah, I love his sense of humor. Like I said, he should have a ton more subscribers than he has. Can't show you that one. And we got another 13 ball cap one. So we won a prospector bar, Eagle, 9.9 fine, 1 ounce silver bar, and this is a Scarab Round 4.5 ounce U-Smith pour, and it was poured on the 13th. That's cool, 6/13/23. So this was bound to be mine. And there that is. He has also come a long way with his casting and all his stuff. Whoop, I'll get a close-up of that too. that you all be able to see it. My friend, I thank you very much. Both of you guys. I mean, I remember when you were mainly watchers. you didn't really do anything on your channels, and you mostly watched. Kevin did a lot of other things besides metal work. He did a lot of his the Indian crafts with his tomahawks and things like that. But both of you guys, keep it up. Keep up the good work. Your channels have come a long way. I know you don't see me, but I'm there. A lot of times I'm watching on the TV, so I have to break out a computer or something like that so I can comment. But I am there watching. I am hitting that like button. Guys, do the same. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And go see these guys. Their links will be in the description below. They really have some awesome stuff on their channels. Alright guys, I got to get back, and I'll tell you the truth, I'm going to go lay down because I'm not feeling so swift. But anyhow, everybody take care, stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next video.